Want a custom crosshair in Fortnite on Xbox? I'll walk you through what's possible, the official settings you can use, and the best workarounds that console players rely on. So guys, unlike PC, Xbox Fortnite doesn't support true crosshair mods or overlays, but you can adjust the in-game reticle, and there are creative tricks players use for a custom feel. Firstly, open up your Fortnite settings, then go to the Game UI tab, scroll to Reticle and Damage Feedback, and toggle Reticle on or off. So this changes whether you see the aiming crosshair at all. So for a truly custom look, some players use a physical method, like placing a tiny piece of clear tape at the center of the screen, marking it with a dot or design. When you aim, that marker becomes your crosshair. Also, another method is if you, for example, use a gaming monitor. They don't necessarily have to be the expensive ones. You can actually enable a crosshair in your monitor itself. So modern monitors actually support this. So you just go to your monitor's settings, the OSD settings, and enable the crosshair there directly in your monitor, and then on your console or on your PC, anywhere you play, you will have your custom crosshair. So PC players can run apps like Crosshair X or V2, but Xbox doesn't allow external overlays. That's why console players stick to the in-game toggles or physical screen markers. So that's how you set up or improvise for a custom crosshair in Fortnite on Xbox. If you found this useful, drop a like, subscribe, and of course share your own crosshair ideas in the comments.